Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of health. So friends, I am making this video to give you some creative, stylish, funky and decent and elegant pattern based designer ideas that how you can design your black color shirts, your clean black color fabric kurti, kameez, gown, frock or any type that is specifically based on the patterns of a plain black color, because black is the color that we use to wear on almost many days a week, and black is the color that we could wear on almost every day of the week. Black is the color that we highly admire, like and want to wear, and its wearer reflects the beauty more creatively. So as per your demand, as your choice of interest, I have shared a very beautiful creative different patterns of embroidery like satin stitch, stem stitch, chain stitch, fly stitch, Brazilian embroidery based patterns, tussle embroidery, some unique and simple style of creative mini floral patterns of embroidery along with a multicolor thread usage, some 3D look giving rose floral embroidery patterns, some creative 3D floral embroidery patterns to give you more beauty, to give you more elegant decency and enhanced look for any type of office wear, everyday comfortable outfit, for any type of party wear. So I hope that you will follow these design ideas, these embroidery patterns, these color combinations, and you will make a very pretty, creative and stylish pattern of your own, that how you can look amazingly classy, attractive in your black outfits. Wait guys, this idea is not only limited to this. If you don't have new black shirts or kurtis or gowns, kameez or tops or peplums, then you can reuse your already in use old black plain black shirts, t-shirts, dresses, and make these embroidery patterns onto them to give a more creative and unique look as well. So with this, allow me to leave. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe and keep sharing my content, and don't forget to leave comments.